Hey everybody, welcome back here. In today's video, let's go ahead and learn how you can create a Google form on your Mac or your Windows. Now to create a Google form, the first work you want to do, you need to open up a browser. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Google Chrome browser here. And once you open up your Google Chrome browser, then you'll be able to see this option. If you don't find out this option, you can simply go to your Google Drive by typing it over here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click on here. And then if I scroll down here, and then I'll find out the Google Drive. Now go ahead and click on Google Drive here, and then the first work you want to do, make sure you're actually connected with your Google account. Right after that, you need to click on New here, and if you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see this option called Google Forms. Go ahead and click on the Google Form here, you'll be able to see the new windows will appear over there. Now here, once you come over here, there's a lot of things you have to work on. First, if you want to set a bunch of questions over here, then you have to set them one by one. Now what I actually did, I actually pre-stated some of the questions on my notepad here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them side by side. This is my questions, so I'm just going to copy that from here. Well, after that, just go ahead and paste your questions over here. So let me just delete this title here and paste it right there. Now in order to add your options, you need to choose over here. Now just click on there and now add your option. Now choose multiple options from here. You need to click on add option. Well, now if you want to add more multiple choice from here, you can click on the plus sign from here, and then you'll be able to see the new question where the multiple choice is going to appear here. Now once you're just done that, there's a lot of things you guys actually can do. If you want to add pictures over here, you can do it just by clicking the insert image. At the same time, if you choose this drop-down menu, there is a lot of things is available, such as short answer, and it goes all the way to the time. And there's other things such as the import questions and add titles, pictures, videos, and more. Now, once you just set up your questions, you can send it by clicking send option. Well, if you just go ahead and click on send here, this is going to give you some of the options, like you can send a link via emails, or you can send a link via Facebook, Twitter, and more. Also, you can copy the link. Well, to copy the link, you click on here. You can choose the whole link from here, or you can just click on the shorten link in order to make your link shorter. Now, go ahead and click on copy here, and now just send that Google Form link to the person that you want to take the test of. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and send it to myself, and I will answer the questions, and I will tell you how it really works. Alright, now when you get a response from that particular form, then you'll be able to see the response will appear over there. And if you click here, and then you'll be able to see the individuals has just answered the questions here, and then you'll be able to see the whole response from here. So this is a really simple and easy video in order to make you guys understand how you can create a Google form by using your Mac or Windows, and how you can set multiple questions as well. Hope you find this video useful. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.